Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you: the incredible world of pomegranates. If you've never tried one, you are in for a treat, and if you're already a fan, you are about to discover even more reasons to love this superfood. So, stay tuned. The beauty of pomegranates. First, let's talk about the sheer beauty of pomegranates. Just look at this vibrant, ruby red jewel. It's not just delicious, it's a visual delight. Nature's artwork, isn't it? Nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's get to the health benefits. Pomegranates are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They can help boost your immune system, improve your heart health, and even reduce inflammation. Who wouldn't want to add this to their diet? Culinary versatility. The culinary possibilities with pomegranates are endless. You can sprinkle the seeds on salads, make a sweet and tangy pomegranate sauce, or even blend them into a refreshing smoothie. The sweet and tart flavor adds a unique twist to your favorite dishes. Pomegranate mythbusters. Let's debunk a couple of myths. Some people think pomegranates are hard to eat. Not true. I'll show you an easy way to open and extract the seeds. And, no, they are not just for winter. You can enjoy pomegranates year-round. Pomegranate recipes. To inspire you, we have some mouth-watering pomegranate recipes coming up. From a refreshing pomegranate mojito to a tasty pomegranate glazed chicken, we'll show you how to incorporate this incredible fruit into your daily meals. Pomegranate DIY skincare. But wait, there's more. Pomegranates aren't just for eating. They can work wonders for your skin. We'll show you how to create a DIY pomegranate face mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Pomegranate fun facts. Before we go, here are some fun facts. Pomegranates have been symbols of fertility, prosperity, and good luck for centuries in various cultures. They've even been mentioned in ancient texts like the Bible. It's a fruit with a rich history. So, there you have it, folks, the amazing world of pomegranates. Whether you are a seasoned fan or a newbie, we hope you've learned something new and exciting today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fantastic food content, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next delicious adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay tuned for our next video on pomegranate paradise recipes. Bye for now.